how to create a Shein account and set up your profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Shein application on your device first. Click on the sign in or register option you see on the top left of your screen. You will get an option for signing in. If you have already signed into the Shein app, go ahead and add in your information and log into the app. If you haven't signed in yet, you can go to register and enter your details or simply click on or join with option below and sign in with your Google account, your Facebook account or your Apple ID. I will sign in with my Apple ID here. You can see it is showing registration successful, welcome to Shein. So I have now signed into Shein application. Let's go ahead and set up our profile now. In order to set up the profile, go to the Me option on the bottom right of your screen and then click on the Settings option. You will see the Edit Profile button there. Tap on that. Now here you can change your nickname, share your QR with your friends, add in your bio. You can also add in your preferences and size so that it will be easier to shop accordingly in the near future. And these informations are confidential, so you do not have to worry about that. Your Shein profile is now all set to be used. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.